A cylinder is a special kind of prism where the cross-section is a circle. We know that the area of a circle is given by pi times the radius squared, and that more recently the volume of a prism is the area of the cross-section multiplied by the length. Here's an example. If I want to find the volume of this cylinder, I'm firstly going to identify that the radius of the circle on the end, so if you look here, the end, or the cross-section is a circle, and we can see the radius of that circle is 5 centimeters. What I'm going to do is first of all work out the cross-sectional area, which is just the area of that circle. So that's pi times r squared, which is 25 pi. And I can work that out with a calculator. 25 times pi. If you want to put it straight in, you could do pi times 5 squared. I get 78.54. And the length is 12 centimeters, so to do the CSA times the length, I end up with 78.54 multiplied by 12, and if I do that, I could just do ands times 12, which gives me 942.48, and the units will be centimeters cubed. Here are some questions for you to try. Please pause the video now and have a go, and when you're ready for the answers, press play. Okay, let's go through the answers. For the first one, I need to do pi times r squared, pi times 6 squared. I would then times by 11. So let's do it on the calculator. So I've got shift pi times 6 squared times 11. Press SD, and I get 1244.07. Obviously centimeters cubed. For B, so this time for B, I have pi times, this time you've got to be careful, the radius is 2 centimeters because the diameter is 4. So I have pi times 2 squared times 9, which is going to be 36 pi, which is 113.10. And lastly, bear in mind the units are now meters, so I have pi times 3 squared times 7, which will be 63 pi. So if we put that in, pi times 3 squared times 7, I get 197.92 meters cubed. And those are my answers.